Hi, I'm Oliver from Motor Match Stafford, and today we're going to be taking a look around this approved used vehicle.
Let's take a look at this beautiful BMW M4 Competition. This M4 features a 3-litre bi-turbo petrol engine and an automatic gearbox. The exterior of this vehicle is finished in Macao Blue, and this complements the forged carbon fibre body kit that's installed on the vehicle. At the rear of the vehicle we have these LED tail lights with new 3D L-shaped LED light design. At the front of the vehicle we have these upgraded adaptive LED headlights with high beam assist. The BMW sits on these gorgeous 20-inch M-Light Star forged black alloy wheels. This BMW M4 Competition also includes an upgraded forged carbon fibre body kit. This includes rear spoiler, rear diffuser, side skirts and front splitter. The roof is also composed of this gloss carbon fibre weave, making the BMW M4 stand out from the rest and give the car that sporty race car aesthetic. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, we are greeted with a reasonable amount of luggage capacity. You could quite easily fit a set of golf clubs, maybe a set of suitcases or even your weekly shopping here. Below this we also have some under boot storage to hide any valuables to keep them extra safe. Now taking a look inside the vehicle, we are greeted with our 3-spoke M leather multifunctional steering wheel, our 8.8-inch colour display, and these gorgeous black full merino leather lightweight M Sport seats with breakthrough elements in the seat back. These seats are heated and electronically adjustable, so both the driver and passenger can find the perfect travelling position. Now let's take a look at the rear seats of the vehicle. The rear seats are composed of black full merino leather, and these seat belts also feature 3-colour M stitching. We also have ISOFIX points available for any younger companions joining you on your journey. Now taking a look at our 3-spoke M leather multifunctional steering wheel. We have our cruise controls on the left and media controls on the right, along with our paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Now, this vehicle has done 26,703 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. Just above our speedometer we also have an upgraded head-up display, allowing the driver to keep all eyes on the road at all times. The M4 also features multiple dynamic driving modes to choose from, including a Sport Plus mode which will unlock the car's full capabilities. On our 8.8-inch colour display we have loads of features and apps to choose from, including a satellite navigation system to allow the driver to easily navigate to their destination. We also have a DAB radio system to listen to all your favourite stations, along with Bluetooth capabilities and CD and DVD drive. We also have Bluetooth telephone capabilities to take those all important calls on the go. The vehicle also features an upgraded reversing camera, helping when getting in and out of those tight parking situations. Now taking a look at our dual zone climate control system. As you can see, the controls are easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle. At a click of a button we can also access the vehicle's heated seat controls, setting the perfect temperature. The BMW also features an upgraded Harman Kardon loudspeaker system. delivering perfectly crisp, high quality audio. Just below this we have access to a 12-volt cigarette lighter, dual cup holders. The interior of this vehicle is made more beautiful with our carbon fibre and black chrome interior trim finisher. Here we've got our automatic gear lever and media controls, and in our centre armrest we've got a USB socket and extra storage when needed.
RAC extended warranty is available. For more information, call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.